कौन सा क्लास है?
English. Okay, let's start. So, in the last class, I have explained you about the long sound and the short sound. Okay, are you clear with that? Once again, I'm telling you. Okay. So the short sounds are the sounds which we have already learned. जो हमने पहले ही learn कर लिया. We have know it. Okay. So there are 5 vowels. How many vowels?
I remember.
Okay, Khanak. Just this is a recap. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. Right? So this vowels, we are going to learn the 2 sounds. One sound which we have already learned. That is the short sound. So the letter A is having a short sound. A. Okay? A. B at a bat. K at a cat. Right? P at a pat. K at a cat. Right? So A. Then the letter E. E is also having a sound A. Okay? B at the bat. Then B at the pet. Then what are the words else? Web. B at a web. N at a net. Okay? So these are the sound of letter E. So A is having A. E is having A. I is having E sound. The letter I is having E sound. Okay? P in a pin. T in a tin. Then F in a fin. Then letter O sound. Vedika, please mute your microphone. The letter O sound is having, Khanak, you are not paying attention. The letter O is having a sound. Okay? Ka, ot, cot, pa, ot, pot. Then, what else the verb? Word. Ba, ox, a box. Right? Then, letter U. U is having a umbrella, a sound. Okay? Yes. So these are the short sound. Are you clear, everybody? Now you are clear with the short sound. What is short sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the vowel is having the long sound. The long sound is called the name of the vowel. Okay? जो vowel का नाम है, that is only the long sound. So letter A is having A sound. I is having I sound. E is having E sound. O is having O sound. And U is having U sound. Okay? Yes, Prayak, you want to say something, bacha? क्लास में आपसे बार बार पूछ रही हूँ. यू आर क्लियर विद द साउंड नाउ? यस. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द न्यू टॉपिक.
W का साउंड लॉन्ग साउंड है, शॉर्ट साउंड है.
बच्चा W का साउंड है, अलग है. देयर आर 2-3 साउंड्स, बट राइट नाउ यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द वोवेल्स.
मैम W में डबल O.
अच्छा, डबल O, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट कंसेप्ट. हम लर्न करेंगे. That is a different concept. Double O is having U sound. Okay? Ta, ul, tool. T-double-O-L. So U sound that is. That is no O sound. Okay? That is a different thing. So don't get confused. Vowels के दो sound है, long and short, which we are going to learn. For right now, that's it. Now the new concept which we are going to learn, that is magical E. Okay? The topic is called magical E or silent E. What does that mean? That it means that I have already explained you in some of the words, right? कुछ words में we can see that the E is at the end. Okay? तो जब E end में होता है, so the sound is changed. Okay? The sound is changed. अभी देखो, I'll show you. So what we are writing, this is called,
मैम
yes,
जैसे ब्लू.
that is a different thing.
Blue.
Blue is also a different thing. UE is having U sound. That is a different thing. Vedika, don't mix it. I'm explaining you. Pay attention here. So which word is it? What I have written here? What is the word? It is hat, right? What is the word? Hat. Okay. यहाँ पे जो ए का साउंड है, वी आर सेइंग शॉर्ट साउंड ए, ओके. बट if I will add the magical e here, so the word will change. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर मैंने e add किया, so the word is going to be changed. Now what is the change? जो ये e है ना, ये बातें नहीं करता. He is not speaking anything. He is being silent. वो कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है. जब भी whenever the e is at the end ना, तो उसको बातें नहीं करनी पसंद. He don't want to talk. So he is silently present there. वो चुप होके वहां पे रहता है. He is not saying anything. So what he used to do, ये e क्या करता है, जो इसका साउंड है ना, इसका e का साउंड, वो है ना a को ट्रांसफर कर देता है, वो a को दे देता है. इसलिए यहाँ पे a का साउंड क्या हो जाता है, लॉन्ग साउंड. ओके, a का साउंड क्या हो जाता है, लॉन्ग साउंड. एंड व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग साउंड ऑफ लेटर a? द लेटर a इज हैविंग लॉन्ग साउंड a. ओके, तो a इज टॉकिंग बट e इज साइलेंट. सो a कुछ नहीं बोलता, और सॉरी e कुछ नहीं बोलता और a बोलने लगता है. ही इज स्पीकिंग लाउडर. सो हियर द साउंड विल बी ह a t h. ओके, क्या साउंड हो जाता है उसका, ह a t h. निवान, Nivan, I'm very angry now, huh? You are not paying attention here and you are playing with something else. Who will pay attention? Keep the water bottle aside and pay attention on the screen. Nivan, this is a new concept which you will not understand, then you will not get to know. Again, ma'am is saying, the E is having no sound, वो कुछ बातें नहीं करता, इसलिए वो क्या करता है, अपनी जो वॉइस है वो A को ट्रांसफर कर देता है, और इसलिए A का वॉइस साउंड क्या हो जाता है, बड़ा साउंड हो जाता है, लॉन्ग साउंड हो जाता है. सो वी आर सेइंग ह a t h. ओके, यहाँ पे E का साउंड है. कैन यू हियर द साउंड ऑफ लेटर E? No, there is no sound of letter E. He is not speaking anything. He is being silent. Okay, let's see one more example.
वो ट्रांसफर कैसे करता है?
क्योंकि वो चुप हो जाता है ना. If I will be quiet, तो if I have a two partners, okay, I have a two partners. Okay, A and E are the partners. Okay, so अगर A अगर चुप हो जाएगा तो E को बोलना पड़ेगा, और अगर E चुप हो जाएगा तो A को बोलना पड़ेगा. अगर आप दो फ्रेंड्स हैं, if you are two friends together, if one is speaking and other is not speaking, तो इसको तो बोलना पड़ेगा ना, अगर ये बातें नहीं करेगा तो. Okay, in the same way, जैसे ही दोनों वॉवेल्स है, what they are, both words are vowel. यहाँ पे आप देखो, जो मैम ने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया ना, this is also a vowel, this is also a vowel, right? A भी vowel है, E भी vowel है. So दोनों vowel है, तो अगर ये चुप हो जाएगा, if he will be quiet, तो फिर ये बोल ही नहीं सकता. तो अगर ये नहीं बोलेगा तो इसको तो ज्यादा बातें करनी पड़ेगी ना. He has to speak more. So that is why इसका साउंड क्या हो जाता है, इसका साउंड लॉन्ग हो जाता है, क्योंकि E बातें नहीं करता. ओके, सो दैट इज वाई ए इज बीइंग अ लॉन्ग साउंड. इसलिए ए का साउंड लॉन्ग हो जाता है, इसलिए उसका साउंड शॉर्ट नहीं होता. इसलिए जब भी कोई भी वर्ड में अगर ई आएगा तो ई चुप हो जाता है, और जो भी दूसरा वॉवेल है उसके पास, वॉट एवर द वॉवेल इज है, यहाँ पे ए है तो ए, यू होगा तो यू, आई तो आई, उसका साउंड लॉन्ग हो जाएगा. देयर विल बी नो शॉर्ट साउंड. Okay, Yanvi, you are also not paying attention and then you will not understand the concept. It is a difficult thing where you have to understand how it is changing. Okay, let's see some more example. Don't worry, this is the first class. We are going to do more things, but you should know it how the words is changing. Sound कैसे change हो रहा है. चलो, now there is one more example. What is this word? क्या है ये? हग है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे जो यू है उसका साउंड हमने क्या लिया है, शॉर्ट साउंड है. व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ लेटर यू? बट इफ वी विल एड मैजिकल ई टू द वर्ड, सो हियर आई एम एडिंग ई, तो अभी अगेन क्या हो गया, ई को जैसे ही ई एंटर होता है ना, सो इसको बहुत खुशी होती है, ही गेट हैप्पी, उसको बहुत मजा आती है, इसलिए वो अपना साउंड है ना बड़ा कर देता है। यस, सो द साउंड ऑफ यू इज यू हियर, तो लॉन्ग साउंड हो जाता है, वो बड़ा बड़ा साउंड बोलने लगता है, क्योंकि उसके पास डबल पावर आ जाती है। अगर आपके पास एक चॉकलेट है और आपको दूसरी चॉकलेट भी मिल जाए तो आप ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाते हो ना। इन द सेम वे, जब लास्ट में ई, व्हेनेवर ई इज एडिंग एट द एंड ना, तो ये अपना जो पावर है ना, वॉट एवर ही इज हैविंग ऑल द पावर्स, वो सारा जो दूसरा वॉवल होता है ना, दैट ही ट्रांसफर हियर, इसको दे देता है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो भी वॉवल होगा, अगर यू है तो यू, आई है तो आई, ई ए ओ ओ, वॉट एवर द वॉवल विल बी हियर ना, ही इज गिविंग हिज पावर टू दैट वॉवल। ओके, वो उसको अपना पावर दे देता है। और इतना याद रखना, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ई हमेशा एंड में रहेगा। ओके, सो वो अपना पावर जो है वो अपने फ्रेंड को दे देगा, दैट इज यू। सो यहाँ पे साउंड कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा, इसका साउंड बड़ा हो गया, ही इज वेरी हैप्पी नाउ, सो ह यू ज ह्यूज। ओके, ह यू ज ह्यूज, सो उसका पावर ज्यादा हो गया नाउ। पहले 3 लेटर वर्ड्स था तो इट वाज हग, यू का साउंड अ था। नाउ जैसे ही हमने ई को ऐड किया तो ई ने अपना सारा पावर जो है ना वो यू को दे दिया, ही हैज गिवन टू यू। नाउ यू इज हैविंग लॉन्ग साउंड, सो इट इज huge. Okay, let's see some more words. You want to see some more words? Yes, let's see some more words.
Yes, ma'am. मैम जी का साउंड ग होता है तो हम इसको जी क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, बच्चा,
जी का साउंड तो ग होता है तो हम इसे जी क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
जी का साउंड क्योंकि यहाँ पे वर्ड चेंज हो जा रहा है ना, लॉन्ग साउंड हो जा रहा है, दैट इज वाई द पूरा वर्ड चेंज हो जाएगा। ओके, इन दिस वे। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड। और यस लोग, जी का साउंड ग भी है और जी का साउंड ज भी है। ओके, इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन द वर्ड, सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स हैविंग एक्सेप्शनल, उसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते। ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, दैट इज क अ ब, कब, राइट, is कब। Now again we are going to add magical E over here. So again if I will add E here, so now the word is going to be changed. Yes. Yes. So U is having a long sound again. So here if E is at the end, तो उसने अपना पावर वापस से किसको दे दिया? U को दे दिया। So again the word is changed. So it is k u b cube. Okay, k u b cube. Cube is a cube. You can see ice cube. Ice कैसे cube होता है? That is a solid surface. Yes, Rubik's cube. Yes, you can see that is called cube. जो square का, this is the shape of square. Okay, and this is the shape of cube. This is called cube. It's a 3D shape. The shape of square, it's a 3D shape. You are going to learn in grade 1 this
ice cube.
Yes, but you can remember the ice cube. Okay, that's
I already know.
Yes. Okay. Now mute your microphone. Yes. Now let's see one more example. Let me think which we can give. For O, what we can give? O.
Before E.
Chalo, I am giving randomly word. There is no meaning of that word, but we can find it out, right? Just a minute. So basically, bacha, what we have to understand, whenever the E is at the end, so the word is going to be changed. Okay, the word is going to be changed.
Ma'am, can you give One more example.
Yes, I'm going to give you some more example. Don't worry. Okay.
E before the second E.
What?
Put Ma'am, table two.
Chalo. Yes, cube. Let's
Put
move
E
to
before
the
the second.
O. Vowel O. If we have O vowel in the word.
E, ma'am, E.
Thanak. Chalo. We know N. Not. Not. Okay. And again, if we will add magical E to the word, so here we are adding E. So what it will be? Note. Okay, O sound. Note. E is transferring his sound to O. Now, ota, note. Okay. Note, your notebook's note. Okay. Are you getting me? Let's do one example of...
sister have note.
Yes, note. Now let's see one example of I. Yes, tape is the correct one. Tap and tape. Very good, Shive. So here we can see the word kit. Okay, the kit, first aid kits or any kit. But as I'm adding, now you are going to give me this answer. Nivan will give me answer. As I will add E here. So slow, please mute your microphone. Now it's kite. Yes. So again, E has given us our two letter I. So I is having a long sound, that is I. So kite. Okay. Agar E will not be there, then it will be kit. And if it is there E, so it will be kite. Okay. Let's see a small video for that. Okay. So you will be clear.
I can understand little bit.
Little bit, no issue. We will do some more practice and then you will be clear with it. This magical E is also called a silent E.
Here to make your very own monster Unadapted Mind, where monsters teach you math. Jack Carson!
Silent E, come on and learn with me. Silent E, we'll help you write and read. Silent E. When letter E is at the end of some words, it's called silent E when it can't be heard. Silent E jumps one consonant back to the vowel and tells it to say the long vowel sound. Here's the word at. A says ah. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have 8. A says A. Silent E. Here's the word pet. E says eh. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have Pete. E says E. Silent E. Here's the word kit. I says I. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have kite. I says I. Silent E. Silent E, come on and learn with me. Silent E, we'll help you write and read. Here's the word hop. O says ah. Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have hope. O says O. silent E. Here's the word cut. U says Add silent E to the end of the word. Now you have cute. U says you. Silent E. Silent E, silent E. Come on and learn with me. Silent E, will help you write and read. Let's be friends. Place your mouse on my guitar.
So you understood how the words are changing while adding a E, okay? Just give me one more minute. I'm going to share you one more thing. Just a second, huh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
that is very songy.
Yes, that is very songy. Just give me a minute.
I want
Just a microphone.
Ma'am, I want more video.
Okay, class. There is one more video how the silent T is used to work in the word. Okay, so just a minute. I'm sharing you that story too.
Discover the magic power of E. Be amazed by the heroic E as it gives all its strength to weak vowels, leaving nothing left for itself. It's an ordinary day for E when... This weak
Pay
little vowel
attention,
can only
everyone.
make a weak sound.
Yanvi.
A hat.
What's this? T is closing in the vowel, making it weak. That weak vowel needs power. This is a job for Magic E.
The magic E goes to the end of the word. It sends all its power to the vowel. Now the strong vowel says its name.
A. Hate.
But E has no power left to make a sound. Later that day,
More weak vowel sounds that need my power.
Pin. A cub.
E to the rescue. I. Pine. U. Cube.
please remember the heroic sacrifice of the magic E. It makes no sound. All its power is gone to make the vowel strong enough to say its name. And that's the story of Magic E.
Ma'am, find me. Let's watch.
Okay, so here did you understood that here we can see how they have given the power to the next vowel. Okay, Jesse, the magical E is added to them and he is giving his all power to make the other vowel strong. Okay, to make the other vowel strong. So you are clear with this, or still you have a confusion how the word is going to be changed?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. A little confusion.
Okay, little confusion. What is the confusion, Khanak? You can ask me the question.
I don't know that much about this. Ma'am, I completely didn't understand.
What you didn't
I
understand?
don't know that much about magical.
Just a minute, Khanak. Yes, Shrok, what did you don't understand? See, you can be free. You can ask me the question what you don't understand. So, ma'am can prepare it and ma'am can make you clear with that. If you will not ask me question, I don't know. Yes, Shive?
Rat and rat.
Rat and rate. Yes, that is the correct one. We have RAT rat. So, we are eating it. It's changed a sound.
Rat.
So, you are telling me the example, Shivain, you are telling me the examples? Okay, that the examples are correct. It means you are clear with the concept. Yes, Shlok.
I understand completely.
No, bacha, it is not necessary that you have to say this answer. If you don't understand, you can ask me, because then slowly and gradually we will moving to the next topic. Now it is going to
I
be
don't
difficult.
know this topic too much.
Okay, so then again I can conduct one more class and where we can clear with the same concept once again. So you should be clear. See, this is very simple. In any word, if you can see and if you will add magical E to the word at the end, so the other vowel, whatever the vowel is there, the power is more stronger. He get more stronger. So the sound is going to be long sound. It is not any more short sound. Okay? Don't worry. Just do one thing once again. I'm going to share you the link. Watch the video once again. Okay. In the next class, we will do more practice of the same. Yes, Yanvi?
ये वापसी का नाम इसमें ये ऊपर वाला और ये है ना
Yanvi, I will answer this question at the end, not right now. Okay? I'll answer at the end. Yes, Priyansh, Paki, Shri, Arav, Danu, Hriday, hey, please give me any answer. What did you understood? What is the concept magical E?
मैम
Yes, hey.
अगला क्लास में क्या रीडिंग है हिंदी या फिर
Why I tell you? I don't want to tell you. I will tell you on that class only. Which class is there?
मैम
Huh, Shri?
कब means
Huh?
कब means
Cub means what is who is cub? We have already learned in the topic of animals in EVS, and when we are learning U family, cub is the baby of lion.
baby otter
Huh. Yes. So here we are done with our class. Okay.
मैम जिसको भी ई है ना ई का पावर देता है ना तो ई का जो भी होता है ना वर्ड वो ना उसका साउंड बड़ा हो जाता है.
He gets more stronger. कोई भी वर्ड नहीं बच्चा, only vowels will get the power. Vowel को power देगा. Okay? किसी और लेटर को नहीं देगा. Okay? If there is a vowel E, so he will give power to vowel A, I, E, O, U. All this 5 vowels. Okay, here we are ending our class. Yes, Vedika, what you want to ask?
Bye.